What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we're doing it again, you guys. We're doing it again. We have a bird feeder, but this one is a little bit different. This one is like a upside down bird feeder. All right, so and nice, simple, and easy. Now, you know, we have this wire right here. They put a little hook onto it, or a little loop right there. You hang this on your hook outside, and guess what? There's no ledge here. The birds don't eat from the sides. They eat upside down. So it's going to be very interesting seeing the woodpeckers eat this and trying to see if the squirrels, or how the squirrels are going to eat from this. I'm pretty sure they could kind of bend down here and get to it, but for the most part, it's going to be fun watching them eat from this. This is something different on the channel, you guys. This is definitely a different type of feeder. Very unusual. I kind of like how they have it. Now, question, how to feed them? So we are going to go ahead and see how do we do that. So you have to lift up on the lid, and you put the bird food in there. All right, and then you pull down. You got to hold the top though. Hold the top and then put pressure. Now this is not easy for squirrels to lift. I could tell this will not be easy. Oh, well, I don't know. I'm not gonna say that because the squirrels in my backyard, they're hardcore, you guys. They do whatever it takes. All right, so I am going to go ahead, put this on the bird post, and go ahead and put a video out there. Let's go out, try to capture some birds and some other animals that will try to get the food. We have some food. I got this from Walmart. All right, nuts and berries. So I bought that. And this was pretty cheap, you guys, like $1.40. I could fit it in there, but I will have to be very clever. Like, I have to push it. So when I take it out, I'll smash it in there. But it's almost there, right? Almost there. This, perfect. Okay? This is what it's really meant for, but I bought that just in case. So I might smush this in with this together. All right, you guys, the woodpecker has been going at it for almost 1 minute. The woodpecker has been staying on there, you guys. I can't believe it actually works. It works. It works. This is amazing, you guys. How did they know the food was right there? How did they know the food was right there underneath? Birds are smart, you guys. All right, it's cold out here. So anyways, I wanted to get that to y'all, you guys. I'm done with this review. I'm gonna show y'all the footage. I got the action camera right there, so I'll show y'all the footage. While the footage go out, I had to interrupt this. I had to. So while the footage goes, I will do the outro then, but this is the outro to this part. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, you guys. This is amazing, and the birds are going crazy right now. Wintertime, the birds chow down, you guys.